Are you an entrepreneur or someone who wants to use a Facebook business page, also known as a Facebook fan page, to grow your business and brand? Well, stay tuned because in this video, I'm gonna show you the #1 best way to set up your Facebook business page so that you can maximize your results. What's going on, guys? Gabe Ikemezi here. I am your internet marketing guide and welcome to my channel. On my channel, I talk everything entrepreneurship, help you build your brand and your business online. So if you are an entrepreneur, just want to start a business online or take your side hustle and make some money online or whatever you want to do in terms of making money online, this channel is for you. So if this is your very first time on my channel, feel free to subscribe. This video, I'm gonna be giving you a quick tutorial on how to set up your Facebook fan page or your Facebook business page. And I'm even gonna sprinkle in a couple ninja advanced techniques, but overall, this tutorial is made strictly for beginners. So if you're new to this, don't worry, this video is gonna be perfect for you. I'm gonna shut up, let's go straight to the video so you can get your Facebook fan page up and running. Hey, Gabe Ikemezi here, and in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you exactly how to put together a Facebook fan page from scratch. If you don't have a fan page yet, or if you wanna create more business pages, this is how you're gonna wanna do it. And I'm also gonna show you some of the things that I'm using on my page. I'm gonna show you how to create an image like this, which is super powerful. It's really gonna help you drive leads and make sales on your fan page, as well as some content and what you wanna be updating your fan page with, how you can get the max engagement, and how you can really build an audience on your Facebook fan page so that you can reach more people, generate leads, and make more sales. And so before we go into it, feel free to go ahead and follow my fan page. You can see the URL right here, Gabe Ikemezi page. And all you have to do to find it is go to the search bar in Facebook and type in my name, Gabe Ikemezi page, and it should pop up right there. So go ahead and like it, follow it. I always update my fan page with trainings, tips, tools that you can use. And so if you like my teaching style and if you want to learn what I'm doing in my business to get results, feel free to follow my page. But let's go ahead and dive into how do we do this? How do we create a fan page? I'm going to start by going straight to facebook.com as if we're just starting, we're just logging into Facebook, and it's going to bring us to our homepage. This is our timeline where you first come when you first log into Facebook. Now, if you want to create a page, there are different ways to go about it. I'm just going to go one way so you can follow it. It'll be simple, step by step, and you can really get it down. So the first thing you want to do is on the top right here, you see this little arrow pointing down. You want to select that, and you want to look for where it says create page. Now, you may not have these pages up here. These are pages that I've created and some pages that I manage for some clients that I work with privately. And I'll explain later what the difference between having them in your pages and having pages in your business manager is. But for right now, if you don't have a page, don't even worry about that. It's not going to even be there. Just hit create page is where we're going to want to start. So when you come to this window, there are a bunch of different options you can select for creating a page. If you're a local mom and pop shop and you sell pizzas or something, you can do a local business or you can do a company. I recommend for our niche and what we do to either do a brand or product or artist, band, or public figure. Now, if you're a musician, an author, you might want to stick with this one here. But if you're just an internet marketer, affiliate marketer online, you're branding yourself, you want to build your own brand, I would suggest doing a brand or a product. So I'm going to select that, and where it says choose a category, go ahead and click that, and Facebook is going to give you a bunch of different options to choose from. Choose something that is representative of your business. If you sell kitchen supplies or jewelry, if you're into cars, whatever your brand for your business is, you can go ahead and select that. If you're just internet marketing, affiliate marketing, I would just select brand. It's the most universal topic category that you can select. And then you want to pick a name. So for your fan page, I'm just going to say top tier tutor. I'm just going to call it top tier tutor, and then go ahead and once you have your name, hit get started. And it's going to bring us to this page. Now, there's two ways to go about this. You can either just follow the steps, and what Facebook is asking us to do is to upload our profile and upload our cover page. So you can do that in this screen. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to hit skip so that you can see the skeleton of the of the fan page, and we can go from there. So I'm just going to skip these steps, and it's going to open up the skeleton of our fan page. Now, when you create a page for the first time, Facebook is going to give you a tour of what's going on here. So on the bottom right here, this is where you can invite people to like your page and become part of your community on your fan page. I wouldn't do that yet until we have it all set up and you actually have content on your page yet, which we'll be discussing a little bit later. And then, so as you exit off of these, Facebook is just going to kind of walk you through, guide you through these things. But this is the skeleton of our fan page. So the first thing we want to do is we want to add a profile. Now you can add it says right here, add a profile, add a cover photo, or you can just come up here to the profile and you can, this little camera here on the bottom right, you can select that. And then it's going to give you options to choose from photos that you've already uploaded to Facebook before. You can take a photo using the webcam on your laptop, or you can upload a photo from images that you have on your computer. So I'm going to upload a photo. Now, a quick little spiel about photos is I always try and tell people to take pictures, take lots and lots of pictures, whether they're selfies with your family, friends, if you're on vacation, if you're in a mastermind, training, event. Take lots and lots of pictures because pictures really are a valuable resource and you can use them for a lot of things, and it's really important, especially for your branding. You do not want to have a picture of like landscape or some nice colorful fall leaves as your profile picture, or your dog Sally. Yes, you love your dog, but your dog shouldn't be your profile pic. It should be a picture of you if you're branding yourself, either a professional pic or a headshot, or it could just be a lifestyle picture. Or on your cover picture as well, it should be something representative of your business, or at least the lifestyle of your business. But you do not want to have the same profile pic for all of your pages. For your regular profile page, for your fan page, it doesn't really look that appealing. I mean, you might be considered a little bit boring. Not to say that it's all wrong, but I like variety, and you will appeal better to people when you have different professional pictures in your different profiles. So take lots and lots of pictures. I'm going to go ahead and pick a picture from just some lifestyle pictures that I've taken in the past. This one, let's see here. Okay, this one is fine. So we're going to select this one. You could just select the picture, hit open, and Facebook is going to ask us to basically crop the picture. It's going to give us a little selection bar where we can select what part of the picture we want to actually be viewed in the little box here for our profile picture. So as you can see, this is the picture. Whatever is selected in this square box is what's going to actually show. So you can click and drag. You can click with your mouse and drag back and forth to select what part of the picture you want in the actual frame. So I'm going to select it right about there, I think is nice. And then you're just going to hit save at the bottom right. And it's going to save our profile picture. So the next thing we want to do after our profile picture is set is you want to add your cover photo. Now I already have a cover photo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. But in the next video, or in a video coming up, I'm going to show you how to create the image that I created and why it can be very powerful for you. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that photo. All right, so this is my cover photo. Same thing goes, you can click and drag to kind of manipulate it a little bit, but I have it kind of sized perfectly. And the reason why this picture is so powerful is because, I mean, it has my name, it has something about what I'm about, and then this portion right here, click here to learn more, is super powerful because it serves as a call to action. So when people come to your page and they see your profile that's nice and professional, they see a nice cover picture, and then you're asking them to click here to learn more. And if they like what they see on your page, and if you're giving them value and content, they're going to be interested and they're going to click here. I get leads from this all the time because it's super helpful, and it's just a great way to optimize your fan page. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do that and how you can even make this image. But I'm going to hit, once you update your cover photo, you want to make sure you hit save so it sticks. And that's it for our cover photo. The next part we will do on our fan page is this button right here. And this is the call to action button. And this is going to dictate where people go when they click this button. So in order to edit it, you just want to hover your mouse over the button and then go where it says edit button. And when I select that, Facebook is going to give me several different kinds of buttons and categories I can choose from. If you want people to book an appointment with you, you can select that, or contact you, learn more about your business, etc., etc. So I like using learn more about your business because it's just it's very open, and it allows you to send people to a variety of different places depending on what your objective is. And you can have the button say watch video or learn more. So if you have a video you want to send them to directly, you can do that, or you can select learn more. I'm going to select learn more. So all you're going to do is hit learn more and select next. Now this part is very important. This part is where you actually tell Facebook, okay, where do you want people to go when they click this button? So here you can put a website link. Now this website link that you use, you want to make sure it's not a tracking link of any kind. Now if you are if you're doing any type of affiliate marketing or anything of that nature, you want to make sure that this link is what I call a quote unquote real link. So for a domain name that you've purchased, or you can use several other tools, which I will talk about in later videos, where you can cloak your link. But you don't want it to be just a general tracking code of any sort, because Facebook bots can actually see that, and they don't like that. They will cancel your this part of your page and will actually shut this down and block your link. And I've seen this happen to a lot of people, and don't want it to happen to you. So you want to be careful with which link you are using, and more on that a little bit later. But just for demo purposes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this link. All you got to do is click the button, and I'm going to put in google.com just to have it as a placeholder for now. And then once you have that, you can hit finish, and our button is set and ready to go. Now if you want to test out your button, all you have to do is hover over the button and hit test button, and it's going to send you to where you want people to go, which is Google for right now. That's basically it. That's all you have to really do on your Facebook fan page to really set it up. Now before we talk about content, I'm just going to kind of exit out of here. Before we talk about content, I want to give you a little bit of a tour on what's going on here on the left side. So on the left side here is just a few options. Your home is your home basically view. It's where you can see your latest posts. You can see some details that you have up. You can invite people to like your page. Your post is just going to show the posts that you've made on this page. Now it's only going to show these two recent things because this is a new page and I don't really have anything on here yet. Same thing for videos and photos. These are videos and photos that you've uploaded onto the page so far. Obviously we don't have any videos yet. These are pictures that we've uploaded yet. Now the about section I think is kind of important. Now you want to take some time to fill this out. You don't spend all day doing this, but it's nice because when people find you, they can find more information about you, and it helps Facebook help people find you. So your category, your name is here. You can always edit it if you don't like it or if you want to change it at some point. You can click here to edit it. And Facebook even gives you some do's and don'ts on how to name your page and what is acceptable. Now your business page, your fan page username, you will not be able to create this at this moment. I believe you need a certain number of likes to be able to do this. And there's other ways that you can do it where you can create another admin and have somebody come in and do it for you. But that's a little bit out of the scope of this video. I'm not going to go into that. But if I were to try and do this here, Facebook is going to give me a warning that says this page isn't eligible to have a username yet. So that's okay. That's perfectly fine. There's other ways to get people to find your fan page, which I'll be showing you. And later on, as you build your page, you'll be able to do this and create a username. But as far as contact information, if you feel comfortable putting in your number, or if you have a business number, go ahead and put that there. Your email for people to contact you, websites, about me section. If you have awards, products, if you're in the restaurant industry and you want to put a menu, you can add that stuff. You can even add a little story, and you can tell people about your business. So this stuff is just nice to fill out. It gives people a wider understanding of what your business is about, what you are about as a brand, and I think it's really helpful. Coming back to this left side here, the community is just your community your page is involved with, and groups. To be honest, I don't really touch any of this stuff really. I really kind of just, except for the about page when you first set it up, I really just go to home And this is where you are focused on posting. This is where you can invite people directly. So I mostly kind of stay over there. So let's actually talk about this button here and what links you should be using. So this is not a place where you put your tracking link or to send people straight to a sales video or something of that nature, because Facebook will see that and will shut you down. So you want to put something, you want to put either your website down, you can put your blog. If you have a funnel that you've created that has a domain name attached to it, a legit domain name that you've either purchased for GoDaddy or a subdomain that you've created through the place that you bought your domain name, you can put that in here. But you don't want to put a tracking code. You don't want to go into your back office, get any of those tracking codes and put them in here. Facebook does not like that at all. So what I'm going to actually do here is I'm going to change this. I'm going to edit this button. To edit it, you're going to select it and go to edit button. And I'm going to select learn more, because that's what I had before. Next. And then the website here, I'm going to change this, and I'm going to add actually my ebook website. Okay, so this is a domain name that I created. This is my website. And this is, I have this link already. And if you don't have a link like this yet, we'll go into how to making these kind of links or how to purchase a domain name. But you want the domain name to be real. You don't want it to be track.com/blah, blah, 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 blah. It's going to get shut down by Facebook in an instant. So once I hit save and finish, you always want to test out your button to make sure it's working. So I'm going to go ahead and select it and hit test button. And people who click that button are going to go here to get my free ebook. So let's just walk through the concept of how this works. When you have a fan page set up like this, and you have your everything, your profile picture, your cover photo, and you have content, you might have videos or posts throughout your page. When you either run like engagement ads, like ads or engagement ads, and you build up your following here, or you can come here and manually invite friends, and people come to your page, if they're interested in what you're about and they see the content and value that you're bringing, and you have this sign here that says click here to learn more, they're going to click this button. And when they click this button, you can take them to wherever you want them to go. It can be a landing page, it can be your blog, it can be a form to fill out an application. For this particular example, I have them going to my ebook funnel where they can just put in their email address, and when they hit send, they'll get my free ebook and they'll be in my email list, and now I can market to them, but they're off Facebook now. Now they're part of my list. So this is a great way to build your list. You always want to be building your list. Build, engage, sell are the three principles you want to be thinking about. So building your list is the first step, and this is how you would do that with your fan page. So after that button is set, you're basically done. Your fan page is complete. The next thing you want to do is start uploading content to your page. And I'm going to be talking about exactly how you do that on the next video. So this is Gabe Kemsey, and I'll see you on the next video.